Attention home buyers and investors, bidding na today, December 9 at exactly 2 p.m. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng 40% to 50% below market value, ito na ang opportunity na hindi mo dapat palampasin. What we have here is a bank foreclosed 2-story townhouse, inner lot as is where is, located in Barangay Navarro, General Trias, Cavite. Isang prime spot sa Cavite dahil mabilis ang development at taas value talaga ang area. Property details: floor area 78 square meter, lot area 50 square meter, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. And listen to this, starting bidding price 1,927,860. Saan ka pa makakita ng 2-story townhouse sa General Trias na ganyang kalaki for under 2 million starting bid price? Sobrang bihira. Now, para mas malinaw, here's a quick sample computation. Reservation fee 50,000. 10% down payment equals 192,786. Less reservation fee, 142,786 na lang ang remaining DP. Pwede ito up to 4 months installment. 90% bank loan equals 1,735,074. Estimated monthly for 20 years around 14,000 to 16,000 per month depending on bank rates. Imagine, for as low as 15,000 monthly, you can own a 2-story townhouse in General Trias na almost half the price ng market value ngayon. Kahit pang investment, sobrang solid. But take note, bank fees and transfer of title are not yet included. Mode of payment, PDC, manager's check, cash, or bank home loan. If gusto mo ng free house tour assistance, guidance sa bidding or full computation, message us ASAP kasi bidding is today na at 2 p.m. Huwag palampasin, opportunity like this don't come twice.